Me and my brother are going to be fidget trading. These are his fidgets, and these are my fidgets. An ASMR pod going once, going twice. Does anybody have an offer? Yes?
I'm going to trade this yellow monkey noodle and these two mochis.
Yes, accept.
Legendary good poppet, yellow poppet.
Give you this mini 4th of July puppet. These two mochis.
Can you please add just one more thing?
Yes. This little duck mochi.
Accept.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna scam him. Trading legendary wacky track. You had to add a lot. Yes. What's your offer?
This and these old poppets and this and the butt chain.
No, add. This is legendary. Get scammed. Me and my brother would be doing a fidget trade challenge in the next video.